Did you know that papaya has a lot of health benefits? And no, I'm not just talking about the fruit, but the leaves of the tree and also the seeds all possess numerous health benefits. Papaya, also known as pawpaw, is a tropical yellow-orange fruit which is part of the Caricaceae family. The papaya is thought to be native to Mexico and South America, making its way to Europe and the Pacific Islands and finally Hawaii in the 1800s. When eaten as part of a balanced diet, papaya are low in calories and full of essential nutrients to support your health. Hey guys, welcome back to another tea time video. If you're new here, I'm Chanel, aka NoMediocre 876. And on this channel, I do health, travel, food, and lifestyle videos. So after watching this video, I implore you to go and check out the other videos. You might just find something that interests you. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet, and turn on your post notification bell so that you won't miss any video I upload on the channel. Also, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share so that others can also benefit from the information that we'll discuss here today. Alright guys, so I know I said that papaya leaves and the seeds and the fruit all have great benefits, but we're not going to discuss all of them here today. What we're going to focus on today is the seeds of the fruit. So guys, these are the seeds that we have right here. So these seeds guys, around 2 days ago, I peeled my fruit and I took out the seeds and I placed them outside in the sun to dry. Now, if you are not able to put them outside to dry in the sun, you can simply put them yours in your oven. So what I'm going to do today guys, I am going to grind these seeds and I'm going to use the around a teaspoon to 1 cup of water to make my tea. It is recommended that you don't surpass 1 teaspoon per day, right? We know that as much as something is good for us, too much of one thing, no good. In this video, we are going to discuss the pros and cons of papaya seeds, and also I'm going to show you how I make my papaya seed tea. Now let's get right into the benefits of papaya seeds. Number 1, improved digestion. Papaya seeds are rich in the enzyme papain and is proven to boost digestive capabilities, making it easier to digest proteins. As a digestive aid, papaya seeds can help reduce symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome as well as relieve bloating and constipation. Studies have also found that papaya seeds, along with other parts of the plant, can be used to treat ulcers. Number 2, antioxidant effects. People who consume papaya seeds are less likely to get renal failure later in life. Papaya seeds can be used to promote kidney health, allowing the kidneys to naturally help your body to rid itself of toxins. The liver is also incredibly important when it comes to your body's natural ability to rid itself of toxins, and eating papaya seeds can promote liver health as well. Even people who have severe cirrhosis of the liver will be more likely to recover if they consume papaya seeds. However, the consumption of papaya seeds can also make a huge difference when it comes to preventing liver diseases. Number 3, helps fight inflammation. Inflammation causes a wide range of different health problems and consequences including redness, joint problems, pain, arthritis, and swelling. Many long-term chronic illnesses are also linked to inflammation. Papaya seeds can help to get rid of many problems caused by inflammation, while preventing a wide range of problems associated with chronic inflammation. Combining papaya seeds with an additionally powerful anti-inflammatory supplement like curcumin can act as a catalyst to heighten the potency of papaya seeds. Just be sure to do your research because not all curcumin is effectively absorbed into the system. Number 4. Age-defying skin. As the body ages, it becomes less capable of skin renewal and repair. Achieve a more youthful glow by adding papaya seeds to your diet, as many of the nutrients contained within papaya promotes rejuvenation. Number 5. Anti-cancer benefits. Many of the antioxidants found in papaya seeds can make all the difference when it comes to warding off various types of cancer. Eating papaya seeds is particularly beneficial when it comes to preventing the development of leukemia, breast cancer, colon cancer, lung cancer, and prostate cancer. Papaya seeds contain the phytochemical isothiocyanate and numerous other compounds that have been shown in studies to actively slow the growth of tumor cells. Number 6. Cardiovascular health benefits. When consumed on a regular basis, papaya seeds have been shown to lower blood pressure and in some cases prevent high blood pressure altogether. This benefit is all thanks to the existence of carpine, an alkaloid component of the papaya fruit which has been studied for its positive cardiovascular effects. In addition to supporting healthy blood pressure, papaya contains lycopene and vitamin C, both of which can help prevent heart disease by enhancing the effects of HDL. The fiber content provides additional support for cholesterol maintenance, helping to lower levels of LDL cholesterol. Number 7. Fighting infectious diseases. Although many plants contain natural defenses against parasites and bacteria, the papaya fruit leads the pack in fighting a whole host of unwanted infectious diseases. Cheers to all the benefits that we will get from drinking this tea. So tasty, guys, so tasty, and I'm not even exaggerating. This tea is delicious. Guys, if you have drank this tea before, let me know in the comment section. If you plan on making this tea, also let me know in the comment section. Guys, if you found the information in this video useful, give this video a thumbs up. Also, share the video so that others can benefit from the information that we spoke about. Remember guys, your health is your wealth. Precautions. There's evidence that links papaya seed to reduce sperm motility. Hence, it is advised that men should avoid eating papaya if they are looking to start a family.